So this is an old ProCharger p600b off a Mustang, and I decided to make some brackets to put it on my Silverado LQ4, and it works really well. It makes about 10 pounds, 8 pounds max at redline with the 2.68 pulley, and it was reverse rotation, so I had to mount it backwards so it points, and then I have electric fan that I put on the other side there, and I'm gonna add a slim line over here, but anyway, so there's the mount I built. I used a stock alternator bracket, and I just added this wing on it and just welded it all up real good, and it runs really well. And for how much these superchargers cost, I mean, it's a good deal. You can get a pretty good deal on this. I mean, I'm maxing out 45-pound injectors, so I mean, we're in the 550, 600 horsepower range. So for an inexpensive supercharger, I mean, not a bad way to go. So I'll have more videos of this truck, but I'll crank it up just so you can hear it idling and stuff. Works really well.